How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Caswell Customs. Vinny here, and today we are building my custom center console. And for those of you who've been subscribed for a while, probably thinking, dude, what are you doing? Finish a project instead of skipping from one to one to one. So I know I've kind of been all over the place. It's just kind of, I run into one obstacle, so I don't want to just not do anything. So I started another one, and then now I've got 6 projects running all at once. So part of running a project is when you're waiting on parts, you kind of start doing other things, and then you pick up too many things at one time. So we're going to build our custom center console in here today. I'm still waiting on some stuff to finish relocating the battery. So as you saw in the last video, we were doing the fuel pressure regulator, didn't get that finished, and then I talked about relocating the battery. So now I've got some of the stuff for the battery started. I've got my 0 gauge cable started to get ran. Got the battery kind of half mounted back here. I got a new Y strap for the spare tire. Still got to get a full size. So adding more and more. I've got the diff out, the front diff out, halfway taken apart to re-gear. So just kind of all over the place, but today we're gonna get started on the custom center console. So let's get to it. Need to get the right hardware and bolt her down. Well, alrighty, so we've got our rough frame put together. It's not pretty, but when it's all done, it's gonna look really nice. So just using angle aluminum and riveting it together. So we're at this part, so still need to make the mount up front similar to how we did the mount in the rear, but right now we're starting to do our vertical boxes. We're looking at about 12 inches on those, should put it right at good elbow resting height. So we're gonna have the flat part here and then an angled up part to meet the upper dash or lower part of the dash here. So go ahead and get this and then figure out what's level to then get the back lengths. What up, what up? Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. I think maybe I might possibly in some way kind of know what I'm doing, but not really. Shh, don't tell your mother.
She said don't tell your mother.
recording? Or? Oh, okay. All right, so, yikes. I'm going to damage the crap out of that. So, we've got it pretty good in here. As you can see, pretty decent arm height as far as like where you would want to rest it. So the idea is to design a cup holder here and here, do a lift gate or door, the hatch. That way I can store stuff down in here and everything. And then basically from here we're going to go vertically, which is just going to be a gradual incline, and meet here and here. And then basically our brake handle is going to go right about there. And then we're going to do CB radio, USBs, and like cigarette lighter. So it's coming along nicely. Kind of running out of time here. It is Sunday afternoon, so this is about as far as we're going to make it for this week. I'm very excited that this is kind of coming along nicely. Like I said, tons going on with the truck, still getting the battery relocated. All those parts are almost in, so should have that out next weekend. The re-gear is coming along, and what else do I have going on? So, brake relocation, finishing the interior, getting the truck running and driving, getting the re-gear done, getting the dual brakes in. So tons going on, tons to come. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I will see you in the next one.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?